TickTools is an Inventor add-in that gives you significant time savings across a number of areas. A common Inventor requirement is to produce files for downstream manufacturing use, such as CNC and laser cutting. This could be standard interchange files such as STEP, or for sheet metal maybe a DXF of the flat pattern development. TickTools Manage gives us tools to not only automate the production of these files, but also manage the process. We can configure our product using normal Inventor parameter and form functionality. In TickTools Manage, we can see the status of the flat pattern models. A single button click allows us to produce a full set of DXF files. We can do the same for STEP files. When the source models are updated, we can easily see which flat patterns are out of date and in need of updating. We can also update select files, not just the complete set. We also have tools allowing us to publish our translated files to a project-specific area. This could be to a folder or sharing on a hosted service such as Fusion Team for secure controlled sharing outside of the organization. Here, we simply share via a one-button click to a standard Windows folder. Get Inventor TickTools from Microconcepts and make creating production data work for you. Thank you for watching.